Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Software Update at the top. However, I forgot to mention that you need to make sure that you've got the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data simply for checking. However, if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to Wi-Fi to avoid some additional charges. So as I said, internet connection, then Software Update, and now your device is checking for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.